Well, some various pieces of this period Duchess tea set to show you in this combined video. It's a pattern that we've done quite a bit of research on. When you do an AI graphic search, it identifies it as Duchess Glen or Duchess June Bouquet, but it's neither. A pink cherry blossom like floral china pattern, classic Duchess teacup sizes and shapes from late 20th century, and there's the Duchess Crown marked Bone China, England. We've gone through all the pieces in this set, all 60 to 70 of them. Not a single one has got any China number on here, because Duchess were in the habit sometimes of applying 3 or 4 digit pattern reference numbers to some of their patterns, or even naming them, but we can find no reference to this particular design ever having been numbered or named. So probably an experimental commercial evaluation run that never successfully made it into large-scale production and wasn't attributed with a name for marketing. Nice classic sugar bowl, beautiful large display with this pink cherry blossom on the front and a smaller panel on the rear. Classic half pint Duchess bulbous milk jug. Again, what really makes these pieces outstanding is the condition. Brightness of the gilt decoration and the glaze indicates they've probably very occasionally or never been used. Teacup and saucer sets. If I can just take this cup out of the way, I'll just bring one of the saucers. Again, 2 blocks of pattern decoration, same Duchess china marks, D-shaped wasted teacups with indent rims and bright gilt. We've also got in this set 6 cereal or dessert bowls, twin blocks of decoration. As you can see, just look at the glaze reflection on these, it gives you an idea of some of the brightness of these pieces. So 6 dessert bowls, 6 teacups and saucers, a teapot, so the opportunity to put a full tea set together. A nice classic Duchess design, front and rear block decoration, gilt, absolutely mint condition, and inside of this you can see behind the perforations no sign of any tannin staining, suggesting this teapot actually has never been used. 6 side plates, again with twin block decoration on them. 6 dessert or salads, I think these are 8.25 inch, and we've even got 6 of these fantastic large dinner plates, 10 and 3/8 inch I think diameter. We will double check the measurements on these, but with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks of the cherry blossom design on them, and again absolutely mint, not a mark on them, period Duchess mark. So a really nice big set of period Duchess china. Date range on this one, well, it's difficult to say because the Duchess marks we've shown you on these have been used for such a long period of time, but if I was to put my money on it, I'd say early 1980s to late 1980s, possibly into the 1990s, making this set at least 30 years old. The other extreme could be back into the sort of late 60s, early 70s, so pushing it towards the 50-year age bracket. As you say, we've got no number or name on this, making buying additional pieces quite difficult, but we've got 6 of everything in really fine condition, so the opportunity to put a really good usable tea set or dinner set together in this particular design if it takes your fancy. Thanks for watching.